Okay, so today we have introduction class. I, along with Chinmay sir, we will be taking this class, mind surveying. He will be associating in mind survey lab. And it is very hard in this lockdown period that. Yeah, Rajnish, you want to say something?
No,
Rajnish?
no,
Do you want to say something?
no, sir.
The voice is lower, I guess. I'm not. You're not audible properly. So it will be better if all of you open your webcam. I want to see because see we have not interacted. Yes, Vasudev, Rajnish. Jayaprakash, Aman, Priyanshu, Zimpa, Mohammad Mehran, Akash. तो अभी तक आप लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा है? What you have studied till your third semester? You have studied surveying and geomatics.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, what do you understand by surveying? Anyone? Am I audible properly?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. So, what do you understand by surveying? सर्वे से क्या समझते हो आप लोग?
So it can be considered as a process of plotting the ground points on the paper.
Okay. Anyone else?
And other topographical features that are present.
Okay. Anyone else? Rajnish?
So, like in a nutshell, it is like doing some study or some study of any particular geographical area using various tools.
Okay. और कोई?
Hello,
It's a
sir.
measurement of distance.
हाँ.
Sir, it's a measurement of distance between 2 points, having a reference point, and a measurement of height.
Okay. Why we do surveying? Why we need to plot those points, or why we need to measure the distance between 2 points?
Sir, if we want to work somewhere, then we need to find its distance or its area. So it is. So for that, we have to calculate its area for doing our work.
Okay. Zimpa, you want to say something? Are you fine there? Zimpa, I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Are you fine there? Where are you right now?
I'm taking my country's Bhutan.
Okay, okay. Everything is fine there?
Yes, sir, everything is removed.
Okay. So, in a nutshell, as Vasudev, what you told as in a nutshell, what we call surveying?
It is basically doing uh, like kind of research on a particular geographical area before any work starts there. It's a study of any particular geographical area and its features.
Okay. So what we do in survey, we try to measure some points relative to a reference point. Uh, why we need that? Because if we are working in a particular area, we need to know different geological features or where our work is going on. We need to where the deposit is with respect to the mining. We need to know where we should locate our shaft, where we locate our incline, decline, or anything else, or how the method of working will go on. So for all these things, we need to know the relative points. We need to know the plan of a particular area. To find out the plan, we measure the points relative to a particular reference point. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
तो इसमें होता यह है कि that we measure different points with respect to a reference point. So we will plot it. That is the part of surveying. So I will discuss with this. I will go through the syllabus right now because I hope you people have studied a little bit leveling and how theodolite works. You might not have done any practical yet.
No, sir, just the
No,
theory
no?
part. No, sir.
Yeah, only theory. Yeah. So I have shared some photos of the mines with you. Have you people gone through it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are some coal mine pictures underground. Then there are some open pit metal mine pictures were also there. You could see the pillars. If you will notice that we need to mark a center line on the top of the in underground areas, in underground mines. We will also study that why we mark the points on the roof in case of underground mines. Whether you would have studied in civil, in surveying and geomatics, that we insert or we mark a station on the ground. So we will study those two differences, that why in underground we need to put a station on the roof and why we cannot put a station on the floor in case of underground mines. Then we will also study setting out. See, in survey, what we do generally, we measure different points, then we plan in a plot, then we plot in a plan with some scale ratio. But what we will do in setting out, we will plan something. That's how the things begin. We will plan something, then we will try to take in the field. Suppose you already find out that by geological survey that where are your deposit, the depth of the deposit, thickness, everything you have found out about if there is any joint, fault, anything else. Why everyone has switched off their camera? Okay. So after that, after finding out the different geographical location, geological discontinuities, geological disturbance, type of deposit, depth of deposit, thickness, amount of reserve, we will try to plan how to mine it. If you would have studied stripping ratio also, if stripping ratio permit, we will go for open cast mine or open pit mine. If stripping ratio is more than a particular limit cut-off grade, then we go for underground mines. Okay, I will share you the syllabus right now. It is already shared with all of you, but we will just discuss it. So in this case, first of all, we will go through some surveying instruments. I hope you people are familiar with theodolite, leveling, dumpy level. Then you will see EDM here, electromagnetic distance measurement. You will see total station here, then gyrothodolite, GPS. This is the first unit. So I think all of you are familiar with GPS a little bit, if I'm not wrong. GPS पता है ना सबको, थोड़ा बहुत तो पता है, सब फोन पे यूज करते हो, गूगल मैप्स में यूज करते हो.
जी सर.
So how GPS works? Have you ever thought how GPS works? We will go through that. Then we will come to the correlation survey. What is a correlation survey? Is when we try to establish a true relationship between surface survey and underground survey. So it is totally related to underground mines correlation survey. Because suppose if there is any bridge or if there is any rail line going through above a mine, above an underground mine, then we follow some particular rules to eliminate any risk that can harm that particular railway line, that particular monument that is important with the national importance, that particular road, anything. So we need to know exactly under what point we need some restrictions so that it will not harm the surface. We need to control the subsidence that can occur at. Subsidence is the lowering of strata because of when we mine, then there is some lowering of strata after a particular time. That is just for right now. Just you need to know that we will subsidence is a big chapter, is a big thing. So we will you will study that thing in rock mechanics and applied rock mechanics. Then, as I told you, in-pit survey or setting out. In this chapter, we will study how we can locate the plans to the field. First, we will plan. Suppose, if you have to make a badminton court or a football court, it is not that it is already ready there. Or if you have to make a cricket pitch, we plan, then we execute there in the field. So that's what we do in in-pit survey or setting out. But we will see all those things with respect to the mining. And in these things, we will also study the subsidence survey and volume calculation of the mined out area in case of open cast mine, open pit mine, or underground mines. Then we will see stope surveying. What we will do in stope surveying? Is to survey a stope, any underground mined out area, or any area where the drift is going on or drive is in a way, or stope development, stope deblurring, those things. Then we will study mine plan and section. There are some legal requirements, some statutory applications, statutory laws that we need to follow to develop a mine plan and section in India. Then we will be studying to how to prepare and preserve those plans and sections, because you all know that Chasnala incident that occurred some years ago. What happened in Chasnala? Can anyone tell?
The water drainage inside the mine.
Inundation, that we call it inundation, कि पूरा पानी उसके अंदर आ गया था, माइंस के अंडरग्राउंड माइंस में भर गया था, and a lot of people died there. Can anyone tell how it happened? What could be the precaution we should have taken to prevent it? Rajneesh?
Sir, we should have located that any water bodies should not be near the mine areas.
Happened due to bad mine plan. See, first of all, in technical things, we don't use the word good and bad. Okay, you need to know these things. It cannot be good or bad. Okay, Amit, Prashant. Amit Prashant, can you tell anything? Romi Kumar?
So I think absence of backup water pumps.
Absence of?
Backup water pumps.
No. Akash Kumar? Akash Kumar Mandal. Ayush Kumar?
सर मैं आई
Yeah, Abhilash, sure.
सर एक्चुअली हुआ ये था सर कि माइन का बाउंड्री और दामोदर रिवर के बीच में एक सर्टेन वॉल था जिसमें ड्रिल किया गया और उसमें ब्लास्ट कर दिया गया, जो कि करना नहीं था। इसी वजह से अचानक से बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर घुस गया और 2 शिफ्ट के आदमी लगभग 870 समथिंग पीपल सब मर गए एट द टाइम, और कोई चांस ही नहीं मिला किसी को भागने का।
तो माइन प्लान एंड माइन सर्वे में हम लोग ये भी देखेंगे कि व्हाट लिमिट वी नीड टू पुट बिटवीन टू माइंस, और बिटवीन इफ देयर इज एनी वाटर फ्लोइंग एरिया और इफ देयर इज एनी वाटर चैनल, what distance we need to maintain. And Abhilash, as he said, he is very correct. Okay, water pressure is too much due to a river, और वो certain limit, certain boundary जो छोड़ना था, we because of some wrong activities, because of some not updation of mine plans. Mine plan was not updated, so it was drilled and blasted that particular area, and whole water. It started with a small hole, but water pressure is too much, and within very few hours, whole water came into the mine, and everyone died because of inundation. They just cannot come out. So survey has an important role to play in any mining activities. And I'm telling you, this will be the first subject that you will find with a mathematical approach. Then at the end, we will just go through some astronomical terms and astronomical survey. So this is the overview of survey, mine surveying. If anyone has to ask anything, you can ask. किसी को कुछ पूछना है अभी तक? अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ पूछने लायक नहीं था, but still, if you're curious about anything. See, I have shared that one of the file also, generals, in the general tab. Control survey. You can also go through that. That may not be the part of the syllabus, but that's just an overview of surveying. Some particular terms. Then what we will do in this class in surveying, because lockdown is going on and it is very hard to connect with all of you. Even now only 33 people have joined out of 56, I guess. So you see geodetic survey, traverse, control, survey stations, level line, leveling, datum, benchmark, Then this triangulation survey, it is also very important. Reconnaissance. How we send the signal. And this is also very important. See, baseline measurement and its correction, or you can simply say that what happens when we measure the tape, what correction we need to measure, what correction we need to take into account, how any error can come. This is important with respect to the GATE syllabus also. So what we will do, I will share the notes with you in the beginning, and I will also share the assignments. Then you solve the assignment by studying those notes. In between, we will go through a overview class, or the doubt class, you can say. That will be better. We will try that in first 2 units if you are comfortable with that. There are some certain things that I need to explain, that is totally right, but there are most of the things that you can learn by studying those particular notes, and I'm telling you my notes will be very fine. It will not be very much comprehensive, it will not be very much brief, but it will be as much as required. Okay, so I will post the first unit and its assignment today itself. You people can go through it. There will be certain deadlines. You need to submit your assignment before the deadline. तो किसी को कुछ पूछना है इसमें अभी तक? Because this is a flipped classroom technology. See, this is a flipped classroom technology in which I will be giving you your notes and we will be solving your homework in the class. Okay. And this is really very effective. I'm also telling you that. This is really very effective. Okay, so anyone? Any questions?
So what should be the deadline of assignment?
It will be different for different assignments. It will depend on the units. I will post it. You will find it. It will be maximum of 1 week or 10 days. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so attendance is recorded also. The class is, I will always record the class, so you do not need to worry about attendance. At the end, we can, if whosoever is here can introduce themselves. I will start with me. I am Saurabh Jain. I am basically from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand itself. I did my BTech from VNIT Nagpur, that's NIT Nagpur. Then I pursued MS from IIT Kharagpur. And after that, I am teaching here since 2018. Okay, whosoever is here, please introduce yourself. And please open your webcam when you introduce yourself. Okay, Aman, you can start.
So myself Rajnish, and I am from Dhanbad. I completed my 12th from Chinmay Vidyalaya Bokaro and currently pursuing mining engineering in BTech.
Okay.
Morning, sir. My name is Aman Kumar Dubey, and I am from Palamu, Daltonganj, and I have completed my intermediate from DAV Koilanagar and currently doing BTech in mining engineering in BIT Sindri.
So
Good
Aman,
morning,
you
sir.
have anyone? Okay. Just a minute. Aman, do you have anyone in coal mines? Any relative?
Not now, but sir, 10 to 12 years back, my grandfather was in mines.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Basudev.
Good morning, sir. I am Basudev Mishra, and I am from Dhanbad. I completed my schooling from the Nobby School FR, and currently I am at PIT studying.
Yes, Abhilash. Abhishesh. Yeah, Abhishesh. Sorry. Yeah, Abhishesh.
Hello, sir. Myself, Abhishesh. I am from Dhanbad. I completed my diploma from Odisha International Polytechnic and recently doing BTech at BIT Sindri.
Next.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Romi Kumar from Katras, Dhanbad. I completed my intermediate with Saraswati Sishu Mandir Siamdi and currently doing BTech with BIT. With mining facility.
Ayush. Yeah, Akash.
Good morning.
Unmute yourself, please. Akash, you unmute yourself. You were speaking, but you have not unmuted yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is Akash Kumar from Bokaro. I have completed my diploma from mining branch, Madhupur Polytechnic, Madhupur. Currently, I am studying Jyoti Sindri mining.
Okay, there
Sir,
are, yeah.
Sir, now I'm
Okay, Akash, you then Vikas. Akash.
good evening, sir. My name is Akash Mandal. I am from Bokaro district of Jharkhand. I did my schooling from Guru Gobind Singh Public School Sector 5B, and now I am pursuing my BTech degree from BIT Sindri, that is mining department.
Yeah, Vikas, now you can come.
Sir, myself Vikas Kumar Paswan. I have done my schooling from Tata DAV School, Jamadua. Currently I am doing BTech in mining engineering from BITC.
So you are from Jamadoba. So any of your relatives in Tata Steel or any you have any
Yes, sir.
relation with the mines?
Yes, sir. My father is working in Tata Steel.
Okay. Okay, so Romi.
Good morning, sir. I'm Jimbarabke from eastern part of Bhutan, named Pemagasan. And I completed my class 12 from Nangor Central School. And I'm pursuing my degree from BIT Center.
So remaining Vikas has said. Deepak Singh. Dheeraj Kumar. Unmute yourself, Dheeraj.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Dheeraj Kumar Mahato. I did my 12th from Delhi Public School, Bokaro, and currently pursuing BTech degree in BIT Sindri.
Then Jayaprakash.
Good morning, sir.
Open your webcam, Jayaprakash.
I am Dhanbad. Diploma complete in Government Polytechnic, Kodarma.
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
What?
Yes, Jayaprakash.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
Introduce yourself. Yeah.
sir,
Some problem.
the
Actually, you're not audible properly. Okay, so remaining there are many people here. Harish Kumar Mahto.
Hello sir, good morning. Myself Rajan Raj, I am
Yeah.
from Dumka. I did my intermediate from SS Vidyavihar Dumka. Currently I am pursuing my BTech degree from BIT Sindri as mining engineer. Thank you sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Mohammad Mehran.
Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
Harish. Yes.
Myself, Harish Kumar Mathur, and I am from Bokaro City. I did my matriculation from Siddhar Patel Public School and intermediate from Sri Ekka Public School, Bokaro. And currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Technology degree in mining engineering from BIT Sindri. Thank you.
Manish Kumar, Mabel, Meera, Pavan, Priyanshu.
Good morning, sir. My name is Meera Kumari. I am from Bokaro. I have completed my 10 plus 12 from GGPS and currently I am studying mining engineering in BIT Sindri.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Mabel Honaga. I have done my schooling from St. Xavier's School, Randa, Ranchi, and currently I am pursuing BTech mining engineering. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I am Priyanshu Singh from Dhanbad. I completed my 12th from Delhi Public School, Dhanbad, and currently studying in BIT Sindri. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Manasis. I am from Bokaro. I have completed my intermediate from GGPS Bokaro, and I am currently in BIT Sindri. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Aditya Amram from Dhanbad. I have completed my 12th from Model School Tunde, and now I am pursuing mining engineering from BIT Sindri.
Raj, Hans, Ravi Gupta, Romi, Ruhan, Sachin.
Sir, I had introduced myself.
Yeah, sorry. Raj, okay.
Good morning, sir. Myself Rohan Alam from Palamu, Jharkhand. I have completed my 12th from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Simdega, Jharkhand. Now, currently, I am pursuing BTech from mining engineering, Dhanbad. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Sonu Kumar Gupta from Palamu, Daltonganj. I did my intermediate from SBS Inter College and currently pursuing BTech in mining engineering from BIT Sindri.
Good morning, sir. Myself Sachin Kumar. I am from Bokaro. I have completed my class 12 from GGPS Sector 5. Now I am doing BTech from BIT Sindri.
Sir, my name is Ravi Kumar Gupta from, we are belonging to Dhanbad and we are intermediate in PK Roy College.
Sandeep Rao.
Hello, good morning, sir. Myself Sandeep Rao and I am from Dhanbad. I have completed my intermediate from Dhanbad Lefa at Digwadi and I am from currently pursuing BTech in mining engineering from BIT Sindri.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sachin Kumar. I am from Bokaro and I have done my schooling from Crescent Public School, Bokaro. And currently I am pursuing my BTech degree from BIT Sindri.
Okay, anyone remaining?
Hello, sir. My name is Ayush Kumar and I am from Ranchi. I have completed my matriculation from Campion Public School and my +2 from Kendriya Vidyalaya HEC Ranchi. And I have also done my diploma from Beragoda Polytechnic College. Thank you.
I have completed my class 12 DAV. I am from Dhanbad, currently living in
You're not audible properly. But fine, okay. Okay, anyone else? No. Okay, then we can stop our class here for today. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm.